Okay, inside the Airstream. Here is where the circuit breaker panel will be. And you can see most of the wires all terminate here. I have Romex. I have some 16 gauge wire for 12 volt, the red and black ones. I have some trailer wire for the lighting, so the brake lights and the turn signals and marker lights. I have some HDMI cables, a couple of them from front to back. I have speaker wire, lots of speaker wire, enough for 7 channels. 7 channels in the back. So we have a speaker over here, a couple speakers in the back, a couple speakers on the side, and then a speaker up in the middle of the front. So this area right here is going to be our bench where we sit like a kitchen table, and back in the back will be the bed. So back in the back we have another set of, basically the stereo components will be mounted to the ceiling back here by the bed. And we have speakers around the bed in the back of the trailer. I also have a ton of RG6 cable run everywhere. I figure I'll use RG6 for outside cameras, mainly for while we're driving so we can see who's behind us. But the RG6 is also useful for antennas. I expect I'll probably have 4G cellular data service, cell phone service. Also have several wires here. There's a pop-up antenna right there. That's the knob where you turn to bring up the antenna. So I've got RG6 set for that. I'll probably also have a satellite dish on the roof eventually. And you can see here's some more of the trailer wire. This is down the passenger side of the trailer. So trailer wire to the back. I've also got a little service door on both sides of the trailer. There's one there, and I've got a ton of cable on the floor. Basically got a bunch of RG6, and then in the wall there, you can kind of see it, I've got Romex and a whole bunch of cable, speaker wire, a full set of speaker wire, all going out the service door, because outside the trailer will be our awning where we sit and enjoy the outdoors. Here's another service door, and I've got some more RG6 run to here, as well as I've got shielded Cat 6 to go outside to the campsite, where we can, for some campsites, they have a data connection where the shore power's at and the water comes in. I also have a bunch of unshielded Cat 5 cable, the blue, as well as shielded Cat 6. All the network cables basically come right about here, because I'm going to have a network switch mounted on the ceiling right about here. So the network switch will be where all these cables get plugged in to run data all around the trailer. It's pretty much got enough cabling to run a full data center in the trailer, which probably won't happen, but I figure too many cables is better than not enough. Air conditioner is run, typical Romex coming out of there, down to the area where the panel will be. And that's the final product. Next I'll show you time lapse and a few short clips of me putting the wiring in. Enjoy. Start this end up by the car, and I'll put the 7-pin trailer harness connect here, and then it goes from the tongue of the trailer all the way up to the front of the trailer, and it'll go inside the trailer where it'll split into left and right. And so I separated out the green pin from the yellow, the brown, and the white. The yellow, the brown, and the white will be left driver's side blinkers. The yellow is the blinker, the brown is the stoplight, the tail light, and then the white is the ground. So down the right side of the trailer, I'll have a ground and a orange or yellow for the driver's side left turn blinker, so I can illuminate the markers down the side of the left side of the trailer. And then down the right side of the trailer will be all the rest of the wires that I bundled together separately so they can run down the right side of the trailer. So all the way down the right side of the trailer, I've got a couple of extra red cables that will run power as well. Essentially mainly the red one here, and it has a black marker on it, so I know this is a ground as well. So the right side of the trailer will have the electrical brake is blue. The right turn signal is green wire. The black is positive 12 volt, and the red is going to be my other ground. So I'll have a ground on both sides of the trailer so I can illuminate my marker lights all the way down the side. And then I've split off this one red here because I intend to use it to charge my battery and a few other things in the trailer while we're driving. But you can see all the way down the right side of the trailer, I've bundled these together so they won't separate and so that they'll stay pretty much together all the way. And when I get to the back of the trailer, these will connect up to the right side blinker, left, right, and everything's bundled together to be kind of tight.
Bye.